problems go away.
Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's topic is one that I get asked about quite a lot from clients who come into my office to have a consultation when they are contemplating filing for divorce. And the question is it better to be the first person to file for divorce? In Nevada, because we are a no-fault state, meaning that you don't have to have a reason for divorce other than you just are not compatible any longer. Generally speaking, it doesn't matter who files for divorce first. Because filing for divorce first doesn't mean that you're going to necessarily win on your legal argument. It does not mean that you're going to have an upper hand, and because you file first, you're going to win and get what you are requesting. It does not follow that if you file first, you will win everything, okay? However, there are some advantages to filing for divorce first. For example, if you are the person filing for divorce first, you have more time to interview and meet with attorneys to find the right attorney that works for you. I always tell people who come to see me, who call me, who ask me questions about this is, I feel the most important thing for your case is to have an attorney that you are 100% comfortable with, that you are both on the same page and that you are able to communicate clearly and effectively and have a good relationship with that attorney. To me, that is the most important thing in a case. So if you file first, you have an opportunity to research, meet with different attorneys until you find the one that works for you. Another advantage to filing for divorce first could be that it allows you to decide when the divorce will begin. It gives you time to be mentally prepared for the divorce. We all need time for that. It allows you time to get a job if you need to get a job. It opens up, it allows you time to open up a bank account, a credit card, plan for your custody and your visitation schedules that you are going to be presenting to the other party. It can also allow you the control to cancel the divorce if you and your spouse decide that divorce is not the right thing for you and your spouse has not answered the complaint that you have filed. So you have a lot of control in that respect if you're filing first. Another advantage could be that it provides you time to take pictures of your assets. For example, pictures of all the furnishings, jewelry, things like that. Also, take copies of different accounts, 401ks, bank accounts, investment accounts, whatever is necessary to preserve the assets that you have in the event that your husband or your wife will try and attempt to hide those assets that you will need to be aware of so that you are able to equitably divide those assets later in the divorce. And finally, and the last advantage, I think, to filing for divorce first is the fact that if you do go to trial, you will have the opportunity to be the first person to present your case to the judge. That gives you an opportunity to do that if you file first for divorce, as you will be the plaintiff in your case. If you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, don't hesitate to go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com, and I will be more than happy to sit down with you and discuss your particular situation. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.
At LJ, we make your problems go away.